I am Dr. Subasri, fertility specialist of Aadiv Fertility Center. Let's all have a tour of our IVF OT complex and IVF lab. Let's come. Now we are entering into our main IVF OT complex. So this is the patient OT table. We will place the patient in the lithotomy position in this OT table, and this is the oocyte aspiration pump. Using this pump, we used to aspirate the eggs from the patient's ovary. So through this pump we will aspirate, and we will aspirate the follicles and take the eggs into this sterile container, and through this pass box we used to pass our aspirated follicles to the IVF lab in a sterile condition. Here you will see the anesthesia machine. This anesthesia workstation is for giving general anesthesia or IV sedation. So on the same day we will discharge the patient. What are the things we need for general anesthesia? All these things are preserved here. So next we go to our IVF lab. This entirely sterile, and 24/7 we maintain electricity and laminar airflow and air handling unit into this. So this is the air handling and unit control panel. It shows how much the temperature is maintained and humidity level. Everything will be monitored here. And you can see this is the Hera cell CO2 incubator. This we use to incubate our media, and this dry incubator we use to incubate our disposables into it before using this for our ICSI. And this is the IVF workstation. You can see this is our IVF workstation. Through this pass box we receive all the aspirated oocytes, and we denude the oocytes at this workstation. It is completely having laminar airflow, so we will see this denuded follicles. We see the oocytes, and after taking the oocytes we collect the sperm from the husband, and this is the ICSI machine. We take the egg from the follicles and sperm from the husband. So and using this ICSI machine we inject the sperm directly into the egg, that is the oocyte, and we incubate that embryo whatever we got into this. This is the triple gas incubator. This Cooper planar we use to incubate our embryos. It acts like a uterus. So for 5 days we used to incubate all our fertilized embryos into this, and on the end of the 5th day we take out the embryos and we visualize in the microscope and to find out. This is our patient's day 5 embryo. This we call it as a blast or blastocyst. This is a good quality blastocyst day 5 embryo. This is what we inject inside the patient's womb. So this embryo we display in the IVF OT, so that patient can also see their embryo before the transfer. For more information, you can visit our center and follow our channel Aadiv Fertility Center.